Yo, what it is, boys and girls? I know y'all ain't seen me for a little minute. I don't know what's going on. I need to get a camera, y'all. I need to get a camera because every time I record, for some reason, it's deleting my videos. But anyways, back with another video, and today what I got for y'all is got new tires in today, man. Listen, man, I've been riding on ball tires for like at least almost 2 months, bro. Ball tires. And it's that time to get some for real. Like, I feel everything in the road, right? Like, I hate it. I hate it for real. But, man, now it's time to get these new tires. I'm on the way to my grandma's house. That's where the tires got delivered at. So, when I get there, I'm going to turn it back on. Yes, sir. Yo, so we back. Look at this little boy. He got his haircut. But, ooh. These big boy tires. Big boy tires. Got some more. So yeah, I got the Patanza, I think, whatever they call it, Bridgestone tires. I wasn't getting the Pirellis, but they was a little bit too high for my liking. So next time when I get my rims and stuff, that's what I'm gonna go for. But y'all see, they ain't there no more. So let's go in here. What up, tire friends? Oh yeah, y'all don't see the other one because it's in the trunk. You feel me? Make sure he buckle up. You feel me? Safety first. Dang, bro, I'm scrunched up. Whew. So, yeah. Oh, man. Hold on, y'all. It's that potassium right there, but hold on, y'all. I forgot to get my drink. H2O gonna save your life. Definitely gonna save your life. So guys. Since we got these new smelly tires in here, because dang, it just took over the whole car. Golly. Okay. So y'all, since we got these new tires, ooh, these are kind of bald, but I'm gonna do a little something for y'all. Last time these gonna be here, so let's go ahead and kill them. I still got a little bit more wear and tear on them, but let's go ahead and kill them, y'all. Since I've been gone for so long, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a little something special right here. But since I've been gone for so long, let's see what it's gonna do, y'all. Let's see what it's gonna do. Good smoke. Good smoke, you know. You ain't a little something. You ain't do a little. We ain't do too much. You feel me? That's why I like this car. You feel me? So V6, but it'll burn out for sure. You just gotta hold it down. Most people with V6, they be like, man, this junk don't burn out. It will burn out. You just gotta hold it down. Just keep letting it slide. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little something right there for y'all. That was it. You feel me? Nothing major, nothing too major, you feel me? I could have went crazy, but you know, these tires real ball, like real ball. I just wanted to do a little quick spin because y'all never seen it happen. Like, I done it like once or twice already, but yeah, nothing major, you feel me? But I'm gonna turn the camera back on y'all when I get to the tire shop, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. This junk out with the old, in with the new, you feel me? Keep going, let's go. These things are ball, y'all don't understand. We're gonna find out. First time it's being on the lift. Trail. I seen him like 2 weeks ago. He was down here. He played football in Fort Valley. I mean, I still had tired. I definitely still had tired. I probably was. It was time for me to look at my car dirty. First time I see anything up in the air. Right there. Oh, that splitter that's gonna come. Got a splitter coming, spoiler coming. Hey man, I'm finally start going crazy on this car. These finna be gone. Oh, that finna be gone. Yeah. Get right. Oh yeah, I ain't tell y'all, but probably next week, it's gonna get right back on this look, cause I'm finna get them rims. That's on the low. I can't let y'all know about that, but I'm finna get them rims for this thing, man. Finna get them things on it. I'm gonna keep it 20s right now, but the highest I'm gonna go is 4s. I'm different. I like that. And hey y'all, should I go single pipe part? If I go apart, I gotta get that diffused. This part, the diffuser. If I go that, I don't know if I wanna go stay single or go dual. I don't know though. Let y'all know. Look at all this. That's crazy thing in there. That's okay. Part of the coolest process. Pissing me off.
Got about 100,000 left on the car. Gotta go, or they can't do it. If they break that somebody's off. That's just over. That's full-time gas. That's just over. That's just over. All they got out was gas.
front tire. Yeah, I tried to get my tires rotated. That's not oil change. And they told me I need a new tire. They said they can't be rotated. Perfect. Oh, I did not do that, y'all. Fat. Now it up, y'all. Now it up. Now it up. They look nice. Look nice. I'm getting different sound marks, y'all. Darkness. Yes, sir. Gotta go. Let's see what it looks like when you sit down, y'all. Got my tires, and yes sir, man, this thing feel different already. No lie, not even gonna lie to y'all. Like there's no more of that bumpy left side and right. Brand new tires. Tires. Hey, I like these tires, y'all. You feel me? These things, like, I can't feel no bump. Like, usually I'd be like this in here on them other tires. But yeah, they was kind of bald though, so that's something that I can complain about. They was bald, but yeah, these tires ain't got none of that into it. I just bump like that because I just hit a spot. I'm finna go inside the store. I gotta get something to eat, man. Hungry. So yeah, I'm finna show y'all what it look like. If you do a little spin around real quick, I just got to the store. My car dirty. Mine, y'all. Having more meat on the tire a little bit. But yeah, man, that was it for the video, man. Just had to get some new tires, feel me? Long overdue. But nah, I got a lot more in store for y'all. Probably next week, I'm gonna order my rims. I ain't gonna spoil it. I'm gonna let y'all see them when they come in. But yeah, they're gonna be tough. I got the spoiler I'm gonna order. I'm tinting the windshields pretty soon. You feel me? Pretty soon. And then, you know, everything else gonna be rolling in pretty much good then. But hey, these tires though, as I'm riding, man, this thing smooth as silk, bro. It had to be just a Goodyear F1 tires. It had just to be that, because, you feel me? When I went from that to these Bridgestone Patanzas, I think they call. Excuse me if I'm wrong, sorry, but yeah, when I switched from them to these, no cap, these things ride smooth. I like these, but now I just can't wait to get my Pirelli run flats. They'll grip, no cap, they'll look grip. But yeah, man, shout out to Tire Rack, man. I got these off Tire Rack, feel me? Quick and easy. Just look them up, put my my year, model, and make, pop straight up the options. You feel me? And I got these, man. Hey, they feel real good, man. Hey, before this video end, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I promise y'all I'm gonna keep pushing out more videos, man. I can't believe that my videos got deleted, bro. I had 2 videos coming back to back, like for real, back to back, and they got deleted. And I honestly don't know where they at. I gotta get a camera, like a real camera, instead of me on my phone. I got too many videos. They probably got just, I don't know. But yeah, man, once I get this new camera, man, it's finna be up, man. June coming up, you feel me? My birthday was just yesterday. Today's the 31st. My birthday is yesterday, man. Young and turned 22, you feel me? Young and turned 22. Oh, man, it feels so for real. And so, I honestly don't even know, bro. Me being on this earth for 21 years, and then yesterday it made it 22, and now I'm now 22 years and 1 day old, you feel me? Shit crazy. But, you know, life goes on, dog. You never dwell on the past. That's life lessons, man. You feel me? But I ain't gonna hold y'all up, man. For real, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on this video, man. New videos gonna be coming out, pushing, man. I promise y'all, bro. My dog just got a Mustang. He just got a 5.0. My other dog just got a Challenger. You feel me? We finna go crazy, man. We finna start going stupid, for real. No cap. But like, comment, subscribe, man. And, you know, feel baby till we out of here, man.